I didn't know I wasn't filming, but all I did was use the Nairobi around the outer edge, and then I sprayed it again with the helmet head, and oh, I put some Nairobi on the top to flatten that down some. But I had this on for about 20 minutes, and here we go. Ooh, that took some makeup off. Okay. No baby hair. I love it. And I'm at home, so ain't no sense in trying to put curls in it and all that kind of stuff. And I did add hair to this unit, so I put in about maybe about 4 rows. I didn't want to overdo it. The last time I did that and added hair to a frontal wig that was pre-made, it made the wig fit strange. So I didn't add a whole lot of hair to it. But yeah, all done. Now this that I used to put it on my applicator, I got this from my nail polish kit. And then it also has a little brush to it. So I'm going to use that to put my part in. Anyway, that's it. Ain't doing no more. But when I take this unit off, I'm gonna go back over it and cut all the extra lace off, because I don't normally keep that much lace on my units. So all of that is lace, and you can see it. But it's good for now, y'all. Bye.
Got a brand new song, y'all. A little something for the old school. 'Cause we can't put not quite like we used to do. You see, it's not too fast and it's not too slow. Just wiggle in the middle, yeah, while you're on the floor. Get on up, come on, let's party. Come on, let's do this. I'm gonna get it started. 2 steps to the front, 2 steps to the back. Now wiggle in the middle, well, from front to back. 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. Now wiggle in the middle, yeah, from side to side. Now let it ride. Oh yeah. All the sexy ladies, well, got it going on tonight. All the fellas grooving, that's alright. You got money in your pocket and you're full of that water. You came to the right place. If you wanna party, just get on up. It's time to party. Come on, let's do this. I'm gonna get it started. 2 steps to the front, 2 steps to the back. Now wiggle in the middle, well, from front to back. 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. Now wiggle in the middle, well, from side to side. 2 steps to the front, 2 steps to the back. Now wiggle in the middle, from front to back. 2 steps to the left, well, 2 steps to the right. Now wiggle in the middle, from side to side. Now let it ride, let it ride. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Now let it ride, let it ride. When you let it ride, you can do whatever you want to do. If you wanna bounce that booty, shake that booty, do the funky chicken, the mashed potato, whatever you wanna do, cool jerk. This is something for the old school. 'Cause we can't party not like we used to do. 2 steps to the front, 2 steps to the back. Now wiggle in the middle, from front to back. 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. Now wiggle in the middle, from side to side. Now bounce to the front, and bounce to the back. Now wiggle in the middle, from front to back. 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. Now wiggle in the middle, from side to side. I got a brand new song, y'all, a little something for the old school. 'Cause we can't boogie, not quite like we used to do. All the sexy ladies, they got it going on tonight. Now we fellas grooving, and that's alright. Now wiggle in the middle, just keep on wiggling. Now you'll get it by tomorrow. What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh. What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh. Listen to me. I thought that thing would be better after I left my home. Bad mistake. But when the side piece found something she liked better. What? She left me alone. That hurt so bad. She said you would cheat on me. That's what she told with me. Somebody else, and your woman too. Oh, baby. Now I'm gonna give you a little taste of your medicine that you gave to me. Woo. Why are you so upset with me when you knew I was just a side piece? What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh, oh. What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh, baby, listen to me. Now I was your side piece, and we both tried to hide. Oh, yes, we did. But baby, you said it was okay. The times you left me alone, she said, I got me a piece on the side. So why you? That's what the woman did. You got a problem when I'm not with you now. You a good man, and any woman can see. Oh, baby. But I got me a side piece, and he's waiting on me. That's what she told me. Woo. Why you so upset with me when you knew I was just a side piece? What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh, baby. What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh, oh. What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? But tell me, what do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh, baby, what do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Oh, tell me, what do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece, she leaves you? Woo! Tell me, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do when you leave your home for the side piece and the side piece leave you? Well. If y'all don't mind, I wanna sing about this sweet woman of mine. I fell in love with you, baby, the first time I laid eyes on you. You were so damn fine. I knew I just wanted to be with you. Now it hasn't always been easy, but I've got used to the pain. I've heard rumors about you all the time. It used to drive me insane. My friends think I'm crazy for feeling the way I do, but I don't care what they say, 'cause I love me some you. Maybe I should just listen to what everyone has to say, but it wouldn't make much difference, girl, 'cause I still love you.